January 2026. Let's do an update of the construction of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. Just some brief notes. The guitar tower will go up to about 670 feet, really pretty high. The new guitar tower will add about 650 luxury suites, which will bring the total resort capacity to around 3,600 rooms. The casino floor is being expanded to 175,000 square feet, which is just about the same size as Fontainebleau. It will also feature a 2,500 seat theater, multiple pool complexes, and a refreshed 200,000 square foot convention space. Now the pool complexes, I read that they're going to have an infinity pool somewhere on the property, so that should be quite nice. As you can see, the guitar is blue and it's two-tone, and so the Mirage always had gold windows, and they're going to change those gold windows into blue windows to match the guitar. That's just about it really, because the grand opening is targeted for the fourth quarter of 2027, basically 2 years away. So there's still a lot of work to be done and a lot of updates to be done, so there's no reason to get bogged down in minutia with this update. So, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the slideshow, hope you enjoyed my voice. Like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day.
To claim you, to put my flag on your ground, but that ain't so. No, honey, I don't wanna cage you, don't even wanna tame you, just want you to say that you're mine.